China completes the first yuan-settled Ling trade. That is for natural gas. China has placed an emphasis on settling oil and gas trades in yuan in recent years in a bid to establish its currency internationally and to weaken, this is more to the point, to weaken the US dollar's grip on world trade. And so what we're really seeing here is power shifting. We've been talking about this for a number of years. But Chinese national oil company CNOOC and France's Total Energies have completed China's first yuan-settled liquefied natural gas LNG trade through the Shanghai Petroleum and Natural Gas Exchange. Isn't that interesting? And again, China has placed an emphasis on settling oil and gas. These are critical natural resources that are physical. There's a finite amount of this. But what is particularly notable to me is that France was participating in this, and they're part of the euro. Yep, and the Eurozone. Saudi Aramco boosts China investment with 2 refinery deals. So can you see how this critical piece of U.S. is remaining in control and power? Can you see how that's shifting? The 2 deals, announced separately on Sunday and Monday, would see Aramco supplying the 2 Chinese companies with a combined 690,000 barrels a day of crude oil, bolstering its rank as China's top provider of the commodity. That's the important part in here. So the complete allegiance that the U.S. had with Saudi Arabia, gone. And it was the petrodollar that enabled the U.S. dollar to retain its status as the world reserve currency. So no longer do you have to use dollars for trade and energy. The deals are the biggest to be announced since Chinese President Xi Jinping visited the kingdom in December, where he called for oil trade in yuan, a move that would weaken the U.S. dollar's dominance in global trade. Beijing's secret role in the breakthrough shook up dynamics in the Middle East, where the United States was for decades the main deal maker. This is extremely significant because we do also know that the IMF, the International Monetary Fund, which is every central bank, almost every central banker and every treasury secretary in the world, almost, they're members. So this is showing a very clear power shift to the world. Can you see the petrodollar dying? Because this is its death knell. If you like this clip and you want to watch the full video, just click right here. And to subscribe, click right here.